What's up, guys? Man, we are back here with another everything's regular video. Man, we have scored another freaking bike. Man, I'm so happy. I cannot wait to check it out. So I done already brought it up on the computer with you guys, and I'm going to show you what it's look like. So let's go upstairs and check it out. What is up, guys? Man, we have won another one, man. Oh, I'm so excited, man. I've been away for a while, but it's finally time to come back and hit you guys over the head with something pretty extraordinary, if you ask me, man. I'm really digging it, man. We have here a 2018 now. This is I won this one at IAAI. The actual link on IAAI, you can't even see it anymore. So I found this website, and you pretty much can just look at what I saw when I seen the bike, you know. But we can just check it out. I already downloaded the picture, so we don't gotta scroll through these. But I wanted to show you just the little simple stuff that it said. It had all the little VIN and everything, the mileage. It's in Oregon. Lost type collision, right side, right rear, and it starts. And they have a video of it starting. I'll play that here. That thing sounded nice, right? Like, soon as I heard it run and I seen it was like little to no damage, let's check out the picture. Alrighty, man. So here we go. Here it is, guys. A 2018 Harley Davidson Street Glide, 58,000 miles. Looks like it was sold by Progressive Casualty Insurance. The damage, from what I've seen so far, you have some fender damage here. Don't really see anything else just yet. Probably trying to zoom in, but I still don't see. You can see that fender twisted a little bit. Got bars on it. Okay, got some nice bars on it. Nice little Harley Davidson logo on the bags. Okay, so here we go. This bag is scratched. That bag is scratched right there. Right here. Other than that, it seems to be in pretty fair shape. You do have a bent crash bar, though. The crash bar is bent. It looks outward a little bit. No big deal. Oh, here's that fender that we was looking at. You guys can see it looks like it's crinkled right there, and back here it looks like it's messed up. This crash bar is bent, like I said. You might need one of those. Oh no, I thought that was a, I don't know if that's just a glare. I don't know, that cup looks alright. Here's that. Okay, so we need to just replace this bag. There's nothing else there. 58,000 miles on it. Pretty nice bike. 2018 107 Milwaukee 8. If you guys tune into my boy Kicks by Dre channel, you guys have been updated with his bike. He got the new Milwaukee 8 as well. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm amped up. Now that just motivated me to get one. So now, just trying to move smarter and get newer, get better investments, because this Milwaukee 8 is the new next big thing, man. This is what everybody wants, at least the 107. Of course, you want the 114 and so on and so forth, but this is a great starting point. So I'm glad I got this under my belt. You can check that other side. I don't really see any damage over there either. Nothing there. Pretty decent little bike. And that's pretty much all the pictures we have. But I did score this thing. I already won it, man. So I'm going to head up to, it's in Portland, Oregon. I'm going to head up to Portland in the next hour or so, actually. So you guys will probably have that video tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, man. Didn't want to keep you long, but I did want to show you what we won. And I'm excited to be back with back in the Harley game, man. And this was a really great pickup. Like, I was looking at a couple other bikes, but when I seen this one, like, I usually don't bid on IAAI. When I was just like, forget it, I found a different way to bid on IAAI. So now I was able to scoop this thing up. I just happened to look on there, seen this thing, and scooped it up by now. So this thing is a beast, man. I can't wait to check it out and see it in person, man. That running video is what really sold me. When I clicked the video and seen it running, I was just like, oh yeah, it runs. That's all I need to know, man. because I mean, from the pictures, everything else looks pretty A1. So I was pretty much sold on that. The mileage is a little bit high, but I mean, it's a Harley, man. You know, you want to ride these things. Mileage don't really matter, doesn't really matter on a Harley, but it is a new Milwaukee 8, so that tells you it is very reliable. So with that being said, man, I'll probably have to catch you guys tomorrow, man. We're about to go load up the truck and get this thing scooped up. That's like a 15-hour drive from where I am, man. So pray for your boy. I'm about to hop on this road, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace. Alrighty, guys, we have made it. What's up, buddy?
Good, we're going a little fast tonight?
A little bit, man, unfortunately.
So it's a 2017?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks newer.
Alrighty, man, you guys seen the video, man. You guys seen the sneak peek. You guys seen what I got, man. So be sure to tune in tomorrow, man, and catch me on the way to go pick that thing up and go just check it out and see if everything is everything, man. Whole bunch of stuff happened on the road, man. Just know that. So be sure to tune in tomorrow, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'll catch you guys in the morning, man. Be sure to tune in, dog.